Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Rebels, the Daily Trader. It is August 23rd, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how to use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I'm not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir down 6 cents. That's not too bad. Minus 0.74%, closed at 801. Post-market, we are up by 2 cents. We are continuing our descent. Can I say anything positive? The only thing positive here is that this resistance slope is pretty steep, so it should not last a long time. So maybe indeed we are going to bounce on 750. That's possible. All of the indicators on the daily chart are crap. And the same thing for the 1-hour chart. Before I finish this, let me ask you this. You are my Palantir video watcher. Would you like me to do another stock beside Tesla? Palantir is a great company, but the stock is really a bomb. So would you like me to switch to another stock? So let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I will consider switching from Palantir to another stock. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.